So welcome to my channel guys once again. So today we are going to discuss this late code daily challenge problem, that is linked list random node. In this problem we are given with a single linked list, and we have to return a random node value from the linked list, and each node whose value we have to return have the same probability. So here basically we have to implement the solution class and a get random function. This function will return the value of a node from the given linked list, and the chance of returning of the value of a particular node will be equal for each and every node in the linked list. So it is something like it's something like probability problem, you can say. So here, like, first of all we have given solution in each case. So okay, only one example is given here. So first of all we have given the solution, like I am explaining you the with my code. Like, this is the uh, we have to implement this function. First of all, when input array calls solution, it will call our function solution directly. So what we did, we take two variable t and int size is equal to 0. We initialize size is equal to 0, and these both private can be public or can be private. It's completely depend on you. It's will not affect your answer at all. So first of all we put head in t. So in our this class, our t will point to the given linked list. So, and we calculate in size, we will calculate the size of the linked list, like while head size plus plus head is equal to head next. By one we will increment the size of the list, given linked list. Okay, so now wait a minute. I just wait a minute. So okay, and now I have to do, like, here it call a function get random 1 2 3 4 5 times, and here the output is 1 3 2 2 2. And now what happens if we are calling this function? You can see what happens if we are calling. Wait a minute. Just a minute, I am just explaining you what happens. Like, here the input is null 1 3 2 2 3, but here the in output is different, at least when I try run the. Okay, now you can see this is a complete reverse output. Like, you can see my output 221 comma 22123. This is my output, and the question output is 32312. Now if I again run the code, then you can see the output. So it is the same. Wait a minute, I am just refreshing the page, maybe because before some time it show me the different output, because I am using a rand function, so it's not possible. Yes, you can see my output is same, but the question output is different, 2 comma 3. So here what we are seeing, it's not compulsory to return the different value for each node. We can return any value, but the probability of any value is same. Like, and you cannot submit this, like, return the same node value every time, because I try to do this but it got fail. Some network problem I think I am facing too. Okay. You can see I just try to return the value of the first node but my only 5 case will pass, and in the long case which have a very large amount of get random function in my input will give you the wrong answer. And now if I try to test this, first of all I just want to explain to you the code of the problem. What is the problem? Just a minute. It is saying invalid input. I don't know why, but I am trying. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can see 21 10 10. this is the output, and we will again try run this. Now you can see the difference, a very much difference in my input, but it is showing accept value completely different, because the probability of returning a value is equal for each and every node in the given problem. So we initialize our t with head, and we calculate size of the linked list in size. Now in this function we take an integer k is equal to rand modulo size. So here rand is a function, this rand is a function which will return a value, any which will return any value. It can be return any value from 0 to infinity, it can be any value. So but we have a limited number of nodes in our linked list. So what we did, so what we will do, we just take modulo with our size, so that any number this rand function will give us to you. But in finally in our k we only get a number less than or equal to the total number of nodes provide in our linked list. So what we did, we just take another variable r, put the head node address in r, and while k minus minus we just r is equal to r next. And if r, suppose if and like if we have a total node 5, take an example, like take this example. If our given node in our size, for this case size is equal to 3, but suppose if rand return a value 2, then return a value 2, so our while loop will work for 2 1 0. On 2 it is here, on 1 it is there, on 0 it is here, and our r point to the next of this, and the next of 3 is equal to null. So our r is equal to null. So what we did, if our r is equal to null and we try to just return the value of the r, it will get generate error. So what we did, if r is equal, if there is something in r, if there is some address in r, then just return the value in r, else while return the first node value. You can see there is at least one node, so our head pointer will never be equal to null. So our problem will always satisfy. So you can see I am again try run this. You can see the output is not same, but and if I refresh the page, you can see 21 10 10 20 10 something is the output. And if I again try run my code, I can just check. Oh no, wait a minute, I have to copy the, you can see the code, my code, no, this time same. I'm just try, because it's not possible that rand function will ge- generate the same value each time, or it's generating the same value, I don't know why. So no problem, I am explaining you the concept. So I am showing you the proof of my accepted solution as well. You can see the accepted solution, the complete that solution that I am told you, that I am explain you. So I hope you enjoy this particular problem solution. So if you like it, then please subscribe it, because in future you will got many more like this video, many more videos related to coding content in my channel, like uh, Lead Code Daily Problem, GFG Problem of the Day Solution, Code Chef Problem, Code Forces Problem, Contest Problem Solution. So if you like it, then please subscribe it. Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you.